This is an example of drug calculations based on weight. Anna is a pediatric patient who weighs 18 pounds. She is to be prescribed acetaminophen by mouth for fever. The dosage strength of this medication is 450 milligrams per 3 milliliters, and the recommended safe dosage range is 10 to 15 milligrams per kilogram per dose. Calculate the minimum and maximum acceptable dosage in milliliter. Alright, so here now, she weighs 18 pounds, but we want her mass in kilograms. So mass is going to be the 18 pounds. We want it in kilograms, so we divide by 2.2. So here now, let's do the division and see what we get. Where did my calculator go? Let's try to get my calculator here. Nice. Now I have my calculator. 18 divided by 2.2 is equal to, so her mass is 8.18 kilograms. 8.18 kilograms. Now the safe dosage range is 10 to 15 milligram per kilogram for each dose. Let us look at the minimum dosage range. Since she's at 8.18 kilograms, I'm looking at 10 at the lower end. At the lower end, we are saying that she should get 10 milligram per kilogram multiplied by 8.18 kilograms multiplied by our weight. Note that kilograms cancel kilogram, and we have milligram left. So here, 10 times 8.18 is 81.8 milligrams. That's at the low end in milligrams. Now, the maximum, note that we haven't done it in milliliters yet. We'll just do it after we find the maximum. At the high end, the maximum dosage will be 15 milligrams per kilogram at each dose, multiplied by her mass of 8.18 kilograms. Kilogram will cancel kilogram. So what we have here is 15 multiplied by 8.18. What do we get? 15 times 8.18, 122.727. So we have 122.727 milligrams. All right. Now in milliliters now. Remember, at the low end, we have 81.8 milligrams. At the high end, we have 122.727 milligrams. We want each in milliliters. Notice that we have 450 milligrams per 3 milliliters. 450 milligrams per 3 milliliters. In every 3 milliliters, you have 450 milligrams of a drug. Now we have 81.8 milligrams. What we're going to have to do is find the reciprocal of this in order for the units to cancel out. So at top we have 3 milliliters over the bottom 450 milligrams. multiplied by 81.8 milligrams. Now here, you see that milligrams cancel milligram. So we're going to have 3 divided by 450 times 81.8. And that will give our answer in milliliters. So let's see how that one goes. 3 divided by 450, and we get that, multiplied by 81.8 equals, so we have 0.55, call it 0.55 milliliters equals 0.55 milliliters, a little bit above half a milliliter of the drug, right? So in order to get 81.8 milligrams, you're looking at 0.55 milliliters. Let me write the 0.55 milliliters here. Now at the high end, what do we have? We're going to have 3 milliliters in will yield 450 milligrams. So in 3 milliliters you have 450 milligrams multiplied by 122.727 milligrams. Milligrams cancel milligrams. When you calculate this, what does it give you? Let us see. We have 3 divided by 450 equals, and you multiply this by 122.727 equals 0.82 milliliters. 0.82 milliliters. All right, so here, this is the amount in milliliters. But notice now, if you look at the doctor's prescription, they will tell you how many milligrams that you should give to the patient. You will now figure out the amount in milliliters from the dosage strength. Now here, what the doctor orders should be between 81.8 milligrams and 122.7 milligrams. If it's lower or higher, then you'd have to consult that doctor to discuss the dosage. But if it's between these values, then you can go ahead and calculate the amount in milliliters that you should administer to the patient.